Hey there, Chrissy here from couponconfidence.com. I'm going to go through the coupons.com app and how to do the Huggies deal because I'm getting numerous questions and messages that they don't see it. Publix is not a part of it, and Publix is a part of it, and this can be done. It's just done differently. So I'm going to back out for a second. This is where I have all my apps that I use. Once you have downloaded it and done it the way that I gave you, I gave you a link, you click on the link in my post, and it opens up a window, and in the upper left corner, there are the 3 lines there. You click that, and then down at the bottom, it says download the app. If you already have the app, then you can go from there. Just make sure your app is updated is all I can say, I guess. When you open up your app, this is kind of how it looks, and you can go ahead and in order to actually get paid, you have to link your PayPal account and stuff like that. I'm just using a generic so I can show you what to do. Down here, you want to open up baby and kids and just go ahead and check mark all of those. I'll check mark this Johnson & Johnson to see what I mean. See, you hit the check mark and now they're checked off. So you check them off before you go shopping, okay? You can go to your list, see what you really have on there, okay? And then you're going to go under redeem, and you can see right here, submit a receipt. Redeem from any store with a receipt that has a price for each item. This works for online groceries too, so it's the same thing. If you want to select a different store or you're adding in a new store, you can go ahead and do it from here. But you can see right there, Publix is available, and that's where you're going to click it, and you're going to keep your recent stores up here. This is not a link to card deal. This is not how you're going to do this. You're not going to click these and then go in and put your phone number in the Publix pin pad and they're going to come off. You're going to pay for them up front like you would an Ibotta, and you're going to get the money back. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.